Hello.
is another video on Dr. Mayuresh Mahajan's channel for HHF Homeopathy, and this is Dr. Mayuresh Mahajan and
this is
myself, Dr. Yogesh Rajurkar.
Oh.
We both have come here to share yet another video, yet another tip for homeopathy.
And this time we are, thought of something a different way of making a video. And see, every time we come up with a remedy, the journey, the mind, body,
The
and
mind,
soul
body
axis.
and soul.
Okay, but this time, for a change, we are in nature here, so the birds are chirping, and it's a very nice atmosphere over here. Oh yeah, I could understand that.
I could understand. You know, they are
Reciprocating.
Yes.
See, every time we won't go for a remedy as usual. There must be some versatility, And this time, we are already thought of a rubric understanding. How to understand a rubric?
Now, many people do ask us, sir, how do you study? How do you go through? How do you understand a rubric? How do you understand a remedy? Now, this is the process wherein we will be telling you how do we study a rubric? How do we understand a remedy under a rubric? There are different remedies under a rubric. How do they correlate with the rubric? So, how the rubric explains the remedy and how the remedy explains the rubric. It is the
And
vice
see
versa.
how it becomes. It's so interesting. The materia medica and the repertory should go hand in hand together.
Absolutely. They
See,
are
the
complementing
materia
each other.
medica is saying something else and the rubric is saying something else. That means there is something.
Discrepancies.
So you need to understand the exact remedy in whole extent. As I always say. So the rubric understand. So and how to understand the rubric will be okay. Thank you.
Yes.
The rubric, understanding of a rubric with respect to the context of the same rubric given and the remedies in that particular rubric. This is really very important.
Absolutely.
Okay. For example, if you take rubric delusion poor thinks he is sepia, naxomica, meserium, right? Sorinum.
Belladonna,
Belladonna. So every remedy is poor in its own way. Don't take every poor in one single rubric. So that gives you a wrong impression.
Means the poorness of belladonna is something different. The poorness of naxomica is something different. The poorness of stramonium is something different. So the poorness of different remedies is different, and that you should understand when you read a rubric or when you study a rubric.
With respect to materia medica. So
Absolutely.
if I am talking about stramonium's poor filling and if I am talking about belladonna's poor filling, you need to understand that the poor filling of belladonna is this and the poor filling of stramonium is something else. This is where it becomes more interesting. So this time we have come up with a rubric. The rubric is really very interesting. Very interesting. Fur wraps up in summer.
Fur wraps up in summer. WRAPS. Wraps up. It wraps up fur in
Summer.
summer. Now it has different angles to it. Summer, according to India, summer.
Now let us understand first of all what is fur.
Fur.
Yes, sir.
Fur is usually the cloth or the leather which has got the furry part of, and it is considered
Fur is used for covering.
covering,
first of all.
and it gives a lot of warmth.
You don't use fur just just like that. You wear fur. You cover up fur for warmth, for the cozy feeling.
Cozy feeling or warmth, or to generate heat when it is very cold.
Most of the time, when you apply this fur on your ears in a very hilly place, in a very cold places, So this is where fur comes up.
Yeah. Many times even fur is considered something a very classy thing or a very expensive thing which ladies usually flaunt, the furry overcoat to show their richness. Even that is also one meaning Of course, whether it is relatable here or not is not the
But
criteria.
when we understand the rubric, you need to understand the word fur in and out. So
In
fur, you
every
got to know,
aspect.
mostly used in cold atmosphere to cover up,
Yeah.
for cozy feeling, for warmth feeling,
To generate heat.
to generate heat. Okay. So context is to generate heat.
Yeah.
And what is the second rubric? Wraps up. Wraps means you just cuddled
Tightly,
yourself
I have
like that.
wrapped up Mayur totally.
So this is fur and this is, no, I'm not Summer. I'm Mayur. Mayur has been wrapped up.
Wrapped up.
This fur. No, sorry, Yogesh.
Yeah.
Okay. So this wrapping up means what? He don't want to expose out. He wants to get to be in that cuddled state of being wrapped up. The cuddled state within you are wrapped up. This is very important.
This
And you
will
don't
be-
want to get exposed in that.
Yes.
But where?
Will be bounded from all the sides completely, is being wrapped up.
Wrapped up. And what is summer? This is very interesting.
Summer is very hot.
Too hot.
So hot. I'm sweating.
AC
Oh.
laga. AC laga.
In India, summer is something like this.
Just wait. Let us understand summer in India.
Yeah.
In India, what is in summer? Summer is hot.
It is something not
You want-
bearable, not pleasant.
You want pleasant, cold weather in summer in India, right? But what is the whole rubric? Fur wraps up in summer. Means what? In spite of so hot atmosphere, in spite of so uncomfortable, this is in summer. It is an uncomfortable place. It's an uncomfortable atmosphere. In India, I'm talking about.
Yeah.
And at the same time, if still I am feeling hot, I am just feeling the heat out here, and still I am wrapping up fur, which is instead you use fur in cold
In
atmosphere.
chilly atmosphere.
But here you are using this fur, this warmth, this coziness in this heat, in this hot atmosphere, in this uncomfortable atmosphere.
Means you just understand you are in Rajasthan. It is a summer time. It is 33 and 34
Nah,
degrees
40.
Celsius. 40 degrees Celsius, and you have wrapped up a blanket in full of you. How the feeling you would be feeling?
And still you don't want to get out of that fur.
You want
To
that
wrap
fur.
up. This is very interesting. So these are some remedies. There are two remedies which wherein the summer is of India. Now, what is the summer in abroad, in the Western countries?
It is the sun has come out.
At last we could see the sun.
Oh wow! And now we could have some warmth, some heat.
At
Oh, wow.
last the sun shines. At last I could see that ray of sun.
You know
after
that-
so many months.
We have got that verse, making hay while the sun shines.
Yeah.
Wow! It is such a pleasant thing.
For 8 to 9 long months, you couldn't see a sun, you couldn't see this heat, and they are dying for this hot
Summer
atmosphere.
to just come.
And once the summer comes up, they feel, oh my God, now this is summer. This is something we are enjoying. So in India, summer is something very discomfortable time.
Unpleasant thing.
Unpleasant. And in America, and not in America it's only, in all Western countries, summer is considered to be a very
Very
pleasant.
Where
So-
the trees bloom, there will be flowers, spring all over, and summer comes in and the whole nature blooms up.
So
It
there
is
are
such a pleasant
two remedies, okay? There are two remedies which an Indian author had added,
Uh-huh.
and there are two remedies a Western author had added. Isn't it interesting? So I would be discussing about the rubric for wraps up in summer of hip herself.
Myself, Hyacinthus.
Yes.
Third, you would be telling
Soranum.
and I would be telling pulsator. So, right? 4 remedies, 1 rubric.
And let us understand it. The only understanding of this particular remedy with respect to this rubric, don't try to understand the whole remedy in this. We are trying to tell you how we understand the rubric with its differentiations. That what you call as a comparative materiality,
Yeah.
right? With respect to this rubric for wraps up in summer.
Now,
Yeah.
I just want to caution all our viewers that there are few rubrics which are prescribing rubrics, wherein which would lead you to the remedy, which will, if that rubric you coin or you confirm in your patient, that will give you the remedy. Those are prescribing rubrics, and there are few rubrics which are understanding rubrics, which will give you the understanding of the remedies in which are present in that rubric.
Okay.
So this rubric is a
A retrospective or an understanding.
rubric which will give you the understanding of these four remedies. So this is not a very prescribing rubric, but it will give you the understanding how and why these remedies are present there.
In this particular rubric, why hip ourself is in the rubric for wraps up in summer. Let us understand. In hip ourself, summer is not comfortable. Hence, it is added by a Indian author, the Badshah of all time, Sir Dr. Phatak sir, with deep respect and gratitude. Immense contribution in homeopathy. Phatak sir, we just love you. The way you have evolved a concise repertory, really it's very interesting.
Yeah.
So let us understand
with
hip ourself.
Yeah.
Fur wraps up in summer. Fur is already I am discomfort, in a state of discomfort.
Already it is summer, it is hot.
Summer is heat. You see, when we understand homeopathy, you need to understand literature. You need to understand the poetic language of this beautiful language of English.
Yeah.
The metaphorical understandings. What is summer? Summer is heat. What is heat? It's immense. You can't tolerate heat. Shah. Shah. Okay? Now I'll tell you. And what is fur? Which wraps up means what? What is the basic problem of hip ourself? The basic problem of hip ourself is hip ourself is already irritated, annoyed with the IPR, the environment.
Yes.
What he's staying along with.
His
For example,
expectations from
for,
the
ex-
IPR.
for example, a mother-in-law.
Ah, yes.
The best example. Everyone loves it. A mother-in-law is the summer for this daughter-in-law here. Every now and then she is not at all reciprocating me anything. She is not giving me that due respect. She is not giving me that love, affection, care, total ignorance. I am just doing it, and doing it.
You know, you have ever stood in sun during summer? Can you stand there for long?
No.
5 minutes, 10
In
minutes,
India.
you just can't bear it. You just want to rush to some place which is shady and cool.
Yes.
You just can't bear to stand there. But that daughter-in-law has to stay in that summer.
What is this summer? The summer, the heat of that mother-in-law, all the time poking, ignoring, being indifferent, insulting. What then maybe
Taunting.
So what happens is, now this is hipper.
Huh.
Now this is summer, okay. But because of hip ourself is in the rubric sensitive to moral impressions. Hip ourself is in the rubric irritability, pain during. What happens is these two rubrics club together, and she knows, hip herself always knows that if at all she starts speaking up, she will spoil the whole relationship. Hence, hip herself always tries to shut her own self. You just shut up, okay, Mayur, you just shut up. Let her do whatever, just calm down. Then when the summer, means the daughter-in-law, mother-in-law comes in front of her, hello mom, how are you? Again fur. From within, I wanted to hit her on her.
From within,
tightly.
she's boiling.
Within, she's boiling.
But she will say, I am very chilly.
But when the mother-in-law comes, hi mom, do you want tea? But and she said, no, but last time जैसा चाय मत बनाना, वो बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी, थोड़ा चीनी ज़्यादा डालना, कंजूसी मत करना. Now she's boiling from within. Yes. And from within. And how is the wrapping up? Yes. It's okay. I'll put this time I'll try to.
Ta-dam!
Once she turns away, Now this is wrapping up of fur
So good.
on what? On that already heated atmosphere, already boiled anger, and you're putting a feel in it. Putting up, बोलते ना कि आग में तेल डालना is for wrapping up in summer in a parcel. आग में और तेल डालना. तो आग तो जली हुई है तो बुझाओ ना, बुझाना नहीं है, उसमें और तेल डाल रहे. ओके मैडम, ओके थैंक यू. Getting more boiling inside. This is wraps up in summer of a parcel. एक 1 minute. This was the brilliance of Mohanty sir,
Oh,
who had taught us this rubric.
so beautiful.
So beautiful.
So beautiful.
Yeah, now Yogesh,
So-
the rubric second one is
Second one is hyosamus. Now hyosamus is, now if you are in summer, okay, usually fur and all warm clothing you usually put in when, because it is chilly out there, the weather is cold, so you should wear all these things. Why? Because you may catch cold, you may fall sick, you may get problems. All these things would cause you injury.
But here, what is summer of summer? Here,
But
see,
the-
one. I
Yes.
would just like
Yeah.
Yogesh. In India, we avoid to go to beaches. Okay, we avoid to go to the beaches. Why? Because we can't bear the heat of the sun. At the same time, all the Western people come to India, and they see to it that they just take this sun bath.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I just wonder, अरे इनको गर्मी
Oh
होती क्यों नहीं? But it's really logical because they die for the summer. So for them, summer is comfort.
Exactly. Now, in chilly weather or in winters, you wrap up yourself with all the clothing, with fur, all warm clothes, with woolen clothes, and all coverings and all those things, just to keep the cold out, so that it doesn't injure you, so that you don't fall sick.
It will. Then here, why do you wear? Because it is a protection.
Protection.
Protection from cold weather,
Yes.
draft of weather, so it won't hurt you. It
Exactly.
won't injure you.
Injure. Right. Now the winter has gone. The summer has come. And still, come on, at least now it is summer. Throw away your clothes. Be at peace. Be at, leave your protection a little bit. Put your guards a little down. Come on, be free. Be open. But
Hello, the winter has gone. The danger has gone. Summer, we think of summer when we feel, what is summer in Western? The most safest time of your life.
enjoying life.
The most safest time of the year is summer. Okay. Now the winter has gone.
Which author has put high summers?
Of course. You read yourself, then you'll come to know for higher sense whether it is comfort or
Indian
discomfort.
summer, or so now everything is blooming, everything is flourishing, everybody is enjoying, and
The snow has gone.
yes, now everybody has let loose. But this person, hyacinth,
Fruits are coming up.
fruits are coming up, flowers are blooming, the people are opening up clothes
Spring
and
येतं ना रे, काय येतं ते?
spring, and after
Vasant?
that summer.
Spring ना, spring के
Spring,
बाद summer.
summer. So now everybody is letting their guards down, everybody is let loose, and everybody is just enjoying the sun and getting
Now,
fun.
but he
He still, even in this case, will wrap up the fur and would stay protected. If you ask him, boss, why this fur? Even if in this summer I catch cold, then
what if?
then what if I catch?
What if?
What if? Delusion, injury, no, complaining, injury of suppose. Of course, in the
For
repertoire.
example, just a minute, Yogesh. It's a very dangerous pandemic going on now. Everybody is wearing mask, right? You need to wear it. There is no option because metaphorically it is a winter. It's full of
chilly weather,
Chilly weather.
all the bad news all over here there, and so much of
You
panic.
need to
and
protect yourself.
Yes, yes.
Now you need to wear a fur.
Yeah.
But after 7 months, 10 months, 15 months, or why to say so negative? Maybe after 2 months, 1 month,
Yeah.
if this pandemic goes away by God's grace, still people wearing mask.
Double mask, one over the other. You are not getting your breath, but one over the other and another shield over it. I'm not able to breathe.
When?
I'm sweating.
When
But-
there is no danger.
No danger. Everybody is moving freely. All the social distancing norms are released. But still, he would go on keeping those restrictions. That fur which was wrapped up in winter is still there, even when the summer has come. Even when it is said everybody is letting loose, he doesn't keep his guard down. He wants to keep it up and the fur to be wrapped up tightly. In any case, in any chance, I don't want to take a chance. जो दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक के पीता है.
हाँ. ये बेड ये होता है रैप्स अप इन समर. अरे समर है ना, ठंडा है, सब डेंजर गया है. छाछ है बे, वो भी फूक फूक के पी रहे.
कितना wrap up in fur. You see ISMS people like this who would be trying to get
Interesting.
protection
And
even
just-
when it is not needed.
Just we are just trying to, the mind body axis is a different story. The matter remedy is a different
How
story.
do
Now,
you study a rubric?
This is how.
Yeah.
Now coming up to
remedy.
Sorayanam.
Sorry.
Sorayanam is also very interesting. And what you are going to take? Pulsatile.
Pulsatile
So
is
very
last.
So Sorinam. What is Sorinam? Okay, we have a rubric cares full of business about. Even though prosperous.
Even though prosperous.
So even though prosperous. So here summer for Sorayanam is a very good situation. A
When
comfortable situation.
everybody is enjoying.
Everybody is lying.
Everything
My
is
balance,
blooming.
my bank balance is very fine.
Yes, the bank
My-
balance is blooming. The bank balance is coming to fruit.
My blood sugar levels are very fine. Right? Summer, no danger. My blood pressure is within normal range.
Correct.
Summer, pleasant because it is in from Western, proved by Cancer. Okay, this is my summer. Everything going perfect, pleasant, good, happy. Okay, right. At the same time, I have enough of my bank balance, but still I care about my. Hey, bhai, dekha. Arey, sir, 21 years you are doing your business so beautifully. Still, you are worrying about your finances. देखना पड़ता है ना बॉस.
सही नहीं
ज्यादा
चल
रिस्क
रहा
नहीं ले बेबा. ये ज्यादा रिस्क नहीं ले. छो ये फर आ गया फिर से.
है. Exactly. He still feels that his business is not doing good,
Fur is
although it is prosperous.
Protection.
Yeah.
When there is no need to take care, you have 2 flats of your own and you are worrying about your small petrol prices. अरे पेट्रोल प्राइस कितना बढ़ गया. अरे यार 2 फ्लैट पड़ा है तेरा वैसे ही. You don't need anything. If you sit like this, your generations will be live lavishly.
Sit and eat.
Lavishly.
Lavishly.
And you are worrying about the rising price of
2 rupees
fuel.
of petrol.
नहीं देखना तो पड़ेगा. Fare-ups. Similarly, health.
Health.
Everything is fine. A control.
When you see Sorayanam, you have to when you are sick. Okay, now you took medicine, and slowly you are improving, and you have almost come back to your health. But still he says, no doctor, I'm not fine.
No, I don't want to stop the medicine. You can't.
You good. No doctor.
अरे
I'm
नहीं,
not
you
fine.
can go ahead. No, Fare-ups. नहीं अच्छा है बे. नहीं. नहीं. I will continue.
Despair recovery of convalescence during.
Got it.
Isn't it all connected? Don't you see the connection?
Despair of recovery means what? He has lost all hopes. When are you losing your hope? When the same feeling of
Coming back
a
of health,
chance
your
of
convalescence has come.
chance to cure is more.
Absolute.
The summer,
Yes.
the pleasantness.
You're almost cured when you're in convalescence.
Are 80% of your ulcer is already healed.
But still, no,
But
sir.
no. This is for wrapping up Sorayanam.
Isn't it fantastic?
So this is how we understand a remedy with different rubrics. with different remedies with the same rubric inside.
Absolutely.
So just don't blindly take up a rubric and just prescribe upon.
Yes.
Need to understand
If a person comes to you in summer, all wrapped up in blankets and all, and then you would take that rubric, boss.
Then this
then
video
you-
is being an absurd thing. Don't do that.
So you have to understand this metaphorical understandings. You will feel that, sir, you are putting up all the assumptions. This is not assumptions. This is a poetic language. These are metaphors, and this is how we have understood the remedies, and we have seen it in patients, applied and verified, and then we are speaking of this.
See, basically, first we need to understand the understanding of a remedy.
Yeah.
Then put up the rubric.
Yeah.
Retrospectively, you study those rubrics. Then you'll come to a conclusion of your own self.
Yeah.
Be innovative. Be a leader. You have your own thought processes. So we have all our own thought processes.
And your experience is your best teacher.
Best
Please.
teacher.
So last remedy we have.
This is also a wonderful remedy. I know he's going to rock it like anything because it's his favorite remedy.
No.
And the rubric is also very interesting. Fur wraps up in summer. Now summer is again, I bet what is the summer of this remedy? I'll tell you. Go ahead, I'll
I'll
tell
start. Okay, pulsatilla. Now, how many of you have got small girl childs, right? Pulsatilla, small girl childs, and they are girl childs, and they have their siblings, brothers or sisters, and what mother and father tells, she is the one who gets all the affection. She is the one who is preferred, who is most pampered, but still she will say, "You don't love me. You don't love me."
Yogesh, what is this? Summer of pulsatilla is what? In summer, for pulsatilla, summer is again what? Warm.
Love, heat.
Already she is getting enough.
Enough
That is
of
heat.
warmth
That is pleasantness.
is there in heaps, but still I'm feeling chilly. Nobody loves me. I'm so alone. Haven't you seen such girls? There are plenty. Your patients, the patients of pulsatilla, their parents would tell you, sir, she's
Kitna bhi karo.
she's a well. How much of affection you put in it, it disappears, and again she is dry. She says, I am not getting affection. Hello?
So जो बोलते ना कि we have a rubric, Mohanty sir again,
Again, Mohanty sir.
affectionate, absorbed.
Affection absorbs. And the way Mohanty sir had told this was, you know what is absorb? Have you seen a sponge? A sponge, and you put a drop of water on that sponge. That drop of water will disappear, and on the surface there will be again no water.
Again dryness.
Again dryness. No
So
water.
this is what pulsatilla feels about love. The more you'll get, the more it absorbs. But still, the surface कुछ नहीं लिया, कुछ नहीं. क्या किया आपने मेरे को? अरे 3 दिन तेरे छुट्टी लिया. I take a bloody sick leave for you for 24 hours. And no, बोला कुछ नहीं किया. You didn't do anything for me. अरे. Wrapping up.
Wrapping up her means the warmth is there, but she wants more, even more, and how much? There is no limit.
We have a rubric. One more thing, I would put up a rubric in this repertory. We would like to rather HHF. Desires full of desires, more than she should, and the sub rubric should be affection.
Affection.
है ना?
More
So-
than she needs.
She's already in warmth. Everybody is taking due care. Everybody is paying attention.
Ja, tum log mere ko dekh. Go away. You don't love me.
And last part, pulsatilla is a hot remedy. And here, how could this rubric fit into this hot remedy? Want open air, always wants
Windows open.
Windows-
Wants to be in open air. Feeling very
she's hot, always wants to be in air conditions. If there is no closed atmosphere, wants to switch on the AC. And bola to kya? Wraps up in summer.
Rhapsody.
How?
This is the understanding of the rubric or the remedy. If you understand pulsatilla nicely, then this hotness, chilliness, or the open air or whatever things has come in an proper understanding of yours,
Yes.
and then you could justify
Understand.
why he wants to be in fur.
And what
even
is the
in
fur
summer.
of pulsatilla and what is the heat and what is the summer of pulsatilla? You'll understand. And now, sorry, we are short of light now. There is already sunset and sorry. Once in a while he comes here. Sometime I go there. So we meet. We enjoy life. We enjoy homeopathy.
Yes.
Have friends. Enjoy with your friends. Discuss amongst your friends.
And-
Enjoy life. Yeah.
And
Come on.
for homeopathy, we have to come together.
Coming
Keeping
together.
our egos aside
That's
and sharing.
sharing.
Even if you understand a few things about a remedy, please share it to your
And don't get become array how could I ask my friend? No, forget it, man.
Forget it.
Ask
Ask.
and put your egos aside. Okay? मुझे सब कुछ आता है नहीं कुछ भी नहीं मुझे कुछ नहीं अभी तक मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है.
Even if we sometimes get, if that that goes to our head, okay, I've done so many cases. A simple case of a simple coryza, a simple belladonna would
Just-
come in front of us and
kill
tell us,
your ego. It
and
will
will
crush your ego.
crush our ego and tell us
You don't
are
know anything.
nowhere.
You don't know anything. If at all you carry this thought process that I don't know, I know a very little about homeopathy
There is much
and
more
I want
to
to learn more,
explore.
then you are the right homeopath. If you say or claim I know everything of homeopathy, then you are lost.
Then you are lost. So these videos are meant for you. So like these videos, subscribe to our Mayur Mahajan's channel, share it to all the homeopaths all around wherever you know, and let homeopathy spread and uprise.
Enjoy life, enjoy homeopathy, and thank you all.
Thank you all.
Love you
Thank
all.
you all. Love you all.